Hello and welcome, my name is the Bearded Bard, and this is one of the things I do. I take hack videos, and I tell you in my opinion if they're good or bad, and typically I'll even give you a reason why. This is going to be the first of my truly long-form videos. As you can see, I'm trying to step up my production quality. Let me know what you think. This video is entitled Handymans Don't Want You to Know This, Tips and Hacks That Work Extremely Well. Oh boy, let's see just how interesting this gets. Putting magnets on, okay. Oh, you found the screw underneath the drywall. Why would you have the screw underneath the drywall like that? I guess if you need to find the screw like that, because it didn't even look like that was painted over. Reinforcing your sandpaper with duct tape is absolutely a hack. It helps. I've done it. A Coke bottle with string. Hold up, I'm guessing. Yep, okay, so this is actually just the way to cleanly break a glass bottle. Typically to make a cup is you burn it and you put it in cold water and it cracks. And whoa, hold up. Look how jagged. Look at that. Oh my goodness. No, usually that's a much cleaner break. Maybe it's because of the thread they use, because usually you can do it with like sewing thread and it works great. Maybe that really thick thread, I don't know, but that looks really bad, and sanding that is going to be a nightmare. The dowel, holes in the wood, the dowel bit, and you go. Oh, okay. Look, if you're really doing that much wire, I've been told that there are pliers that people who work on planes use. You should just get some of that. I've tried that before with fencing wire, so probably a lot higher gauge. It was steel wire, not copper, so it was harder. Maybe that was why mine didn't work. It just busted like every single time. I tried it like 3 times. I'm like, man, I'm about to do a lot of fencing. So I tried it. It just broke. Maybe that was just the material I was using, or that the wire was harder, but I don't trust that one. That's plexiglass. Oh, you slipped. Oops. Tape down. Is that double-sided? It is double-sided. Okay. You tape it down for your mark so you don't slip. I wonder if instead of like actual double-sided tape, you could put those little grippy pads for like furniture or stuff, you know, like those little clear rubbery pads that you can get at like Walmart. I wonder if you put those on there, would it help better than double-sided tape? Because double-sided tape will quickly lose its stickiness, and you'd have to reapply it. Maybe just get some of those little footy thingies, and those would work better. Because then you can break it straight. Yeah, it's a lighter. Empty lighter. Okay. Drilling into an empty lighter. What in the heck are you doing? Joining the 2 chambers more thoroughly, I guess? Get all the shavings out. What in the world? What are you doing with these big old aggressive wood screws into a lighter? That ain't. Is that water? Baking soda into the water. What in the world? This is not a hack. Hacks are supposed to be quick and easy. What in the world is going on right now? More baking soda? I don't. This looks very much like you can, but you shouldn't. Is he creating? Is it methane or butane in there? No way. Okay, hold up. That was not a hack. That was a full-on science project. Oh my goodness. So putting the battery on there causes a chemical reaction inside the chambers and then makes a flammable gas. I don't know what kind of gas that makes. That's really dangerous as well. Like, I can't put my stamp of approval on that one. It's really... No, it's cool. A very neat science project. Not something I'd carry around in my pocket. We've got a pencil. We're burning the pencil. Shaving away from the graphite. Graphite. Somebody tell me, is it graphite or graphene that's in pencils now? I know it's not lead. Was that the whole thing? Was that the whole heck? Nuh-uh. Oh, wait a minute. We're gonna see. Oh, okay, they came back to it. All right. Wrapping the wire lead around here. What in the Frankenstein is about to go on here? What are you doing? Again, just to say, this is not a hack. This is building. Electrodes are... I don't like where this is going. I have no idea what the heck they're doing, but it makes me worried. This isn't a tip or a trick or a hack. This is some meth head MacGyver crap. Is this a freaking soldering iron? Did you just redneck engineer the worst soldering iron? You did. Oh my gosh. Kids, don't do this. That is so dangerous. Get an actual soldering iron. Oh my gosh. I can't explain how dangerous this is. This is such a bad idea. Don't do that. Don't do that at all. Oh boy. So yeah, there was that. Thanks for watching. My hope for humanity dies a little bit each time I watch one of these. I hope to see you next time. Bye.